How to use Zomato dining offers. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Zomato dining offers. Now to use a Zomato dining offer, you have to navigate to a restaurant's page in the Zomato app. First thing first, you want to open the Zomato app on your device. And next, you need to do is search for the restaurant and tap on its page. So for example, if you want to go for any sort of restaurant that you have in mind, you want to type in on the search bar. You could also go ahead and type in a dish that is only specific to that particular location. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, and then you have to go ahead and look for the offers or discount tab on the restaurant page to view it. So basically you could click on the filter button and then go to the restaurant section. So I'm going to go ahead and select this for now, and here you go. Once again, you could go ahead and select the restaurant, and when you do it, so you just need to read the terms and condition carefully, noting any restriction like minimum order value, specific time of days or days of the week the offer is valid. And before your meal, you need to tell the restaurant staff you'd like to use Zomato dine-in offer and ask them to confirm that they are participating and can apply it as well. And at the end of your meal, you can ensure the discount is applied to your final bill before you pay. This way, you'll be able to use the Zomato dining offer. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.